If you have an old computer with a hard drive that has valuable information on it, but you can no longer start the computer, there is a way to get the data. First thing you want to do is remove the hard drive from your computer. Your computer may be different than this one. All right, with the hard drive removed from this old computer, the next thing I need to do is transfer the data to my new computer, and I'm doing that using a USB 2.0 to hard drive adapter. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get one of these, but let's get started. Now, in order to transfer the data from this hard drive to my computer, the first thing we're going to do is take our power supply and we're going to plug in this adapter. And so just make sure you line up everything. Now we will connect this to our hard drive, and that is our power supply. Alright, and in order to transfer the data, we'll now push this cable on and then hook it up like so. Now we can take our USB end, plug it into our computer. Now we will plug in our power supply. And now let's start up our computer. And here is our operating system. And now here are all the files from my old computer. And now you can get all of the files off of your hard drive and save them to a new location. If you want more information, check out the description. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.